I had a good shot. I thought it was a pass through, a little high in the lung going down into the opposite lung. We got a good blood trail here. I've already recovered part of my arrow. It's stuck right into the log. And now we're going to start following the trail. You can see where he kicked it up and it goes all the way through here. So let's go track him down. Hey, look at the blood here. That G5T3 did its job. I also took, and one of the things I always do, because everything looks different from the tree stand when you get down on the ground, I took a compass reading. I know that he was at 242 degrees off toward the west, the southwest, and I got an idea he's right up on top of the hill over here, but we're going to kind of go through here and see if we can follow the blood trail up and try to get to him. It was shot him about 45 minutes ago. Thanks, Rich. Thanks for bringing us up the hill with me. We're going to go on. I think he's probably, if I heard correctly, he should be only about 20 or 30 yards right over here. So let's go see what we can find. Oh, there he is. You got the gun, why don't you get the tape? Down. Thank you very much, George. It's been a great, great hunt. After all of this, after Memorial Day weekend, after 2 wicked storm fronts that came through, I gotta just put my hands on this bad boy because I think he's gonna be the biggest bear that I've taken. Holy jeez!
Nice. Nice color.
Look at that head. Man, this is what it's all about. Who says there's no bears in Maine, or else that they're about the size of Labradors? So this is a beautiful bear. We've been hunting. This is about our 3rd night in camp. We had the Memorial Day weekend. The guide, George, from Brook Outfitters, was confident in the stand, and I joined his confidence, and this is the result. So now comes the fun part. And one of the good things about having a couple of able-bodied guides, because they can help us cripple. So we'll see you on the outside.